Mathematics is life. It is not just a number and letters. It includes solution in every corner. It has its own value and meaning, and yet it is very unique. In understanding, mathematics is not easy, no, it is not difficult. For me, life can be more complicated than that, but mathematics doesn't have to be. Hi guys, okay, today we're gonna continue our topic on trigonometry, but today we're gonna do about proving. Okay, proving. So I have provided a question, not question actually, just a question. It is about how you want to prove that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So you have the sign of equal here. So left hand side is actually equal to the right hand side. So you have this. Okay, you're gonna prove that 1 minus sine A means an angle. You're gonna prove 1 minus sine of some angle divided by 1 plus sine of some angle equal to a secant of an angle plus a tangent of an angle of a square. So it means that today we're gonna prove how this left hand side can be as the right hand side, or how the right hand side should be like the left hand side. So in mathematics, okay, proving is an area in mathematics that is a bit quite tough to do, or a bit quite hard to solve, because you have to make sure you use a right, or we call as you use the correct formula, in order for you to solve this kind of question. So when you look at right hand side or left hand side, you should be able to derive the right hand side to be the left hand side, or you should able to derive the left hand side to be right hand side. So for me, and when I see this kind of question, I think I'm gonna do the left hand side to be the right hand side, not the right hand side to be left hand side, because when I saw this kind of question, it gonna be a bit tough and you want to change the right hand side to be the left hand side. So we're gonna start, or we're gonna make a move from the left hand side here. So first thing first, what you're gonna do is we have to change, okay, we have to change this left hand side to be in some way, or we're gonna change this left hand side to be a new formula that is really gonna make this left hand side to be right hand side, or gonna make this left hand side to be exactly like the So you're gonna change this formula being exactly like the right hand side. So if I'm gonna settle this kind of left hand side, I should able to actually do like this. Okay, 1 minus sine A over 1 plus sine A times by 1 minus sine A. Okay, 1 minus sine A. So why I'm doing like this, actually I want to change this left hand side to be, as I already told to you all, to be like the right hand side. So when you see like this, it gonna probably be like this, 1 minus sine A square. 1 times by 1 equal to 1. Okay, we see at this numerator. Okay, 1 times by 1 equal to 1. So 1 times by negative sign equal to negative signs of an angle. Sine times by 1 equal to positive sine of an angle. Okay, and then we times by sine of an angle times by sine of angle, sine of an angle equal to negative, because how this kind of angle be negative? Because we have a positive angle times by a negative angle equal to negative sine square of an angle. Okay, it's gonna be like that. So okay, I change my color. I change my color of my pants, color of my pen. So when we see, we have this angle being repeated, but it has negative and positive. So in mathematics, when you have a sign of positive and negative, you can cancel out this. You can cancel out this angle because it gonna be 0 actually. So we continue. It gonna be 1 minus sine of A square divided by 1 minus sine square of A. Okay, and then we see in trigonometry we have an identity, what we call as cos square of A plus sine square of A equal to 1. So cos square of A equal to 1 minus sine A. Okay, so 1 minus sine of A, 1 minus sine of A, we can substitute with cos square of A. So we continue our lessons. So 1 minus sine, 1 minus sine A square divided by cos square of A. Okay, cos square of A, when we change it, it will be 1 sine of A square divided by cos A square. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Cos square of A equal to cos A times by twice. Okay, cos A times by cos A equal to cos A square. So it's we change this form into this kind of form. So when we see cos 1 minus sine A square, cos A square, we see that this kind of what we call as this kind of equation have a similar power. So I change the color. Okay, so you can do like this: 1 minus sine A divided by cos A square, because it has the same power. So when we see this, we can separate this into a new form, which is 1 cos A minus sine A cos A square. Okay, continue. So as we see that from this kind of form, we change into this kind of form, we can solve in this kind of a area. So it gonna be what? It gonna be 1 over cos A equal to secant A. And then I do one by one. Sine A cos A equal to tangent of an angle. So 1 over cos A minus sine A over cos A is equal actually to a secant A minus tangent A, but it is square. So you already proved that 1 minus sine A, 1 plus sine A, okay, is actually secant A plus tangent A squared. So that's all for today. Thank you.